Hi friends, and we are so happy that you are here. Today we will show you how to check all of your stories on your account. So let's go to the watching if this topic is interesting. Right now I need to open our ID and we are on the profile page, and remember that each of your stories, of your created stories, are smoothly saved to the archive. And right now we will show you how to enable these archive settings and get access to the whole list. So as you can check, I have tapped on the three lines icon at the top, and later we need to pick on the third option on the list. Later, if you don't have the period stories here, you just need to use the top filter and tap on the first option, because you can also go to the posts and lives, but I need only my stories here. And as I said before, we have all our stories in history here. It's our newly created stories, and also we have the needful date. Remember that after tapping on the calendar, we can also check when our stories were created and tap on the needful date in this way, which is very convenient. And yes, it's cool that you can smoothly switch between the stories and your posts. Guys, don't forget about likes, because I hope that this short tutorial was really very interesting and useful. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we will share with you even more cool tricks on Insta and other applications. Bye bye!